You know what? As you could tell, I'm still learning this. I'm still learning the acoustic guitar, a wonderful instrument made from elements of Mother Earth, and I give thanks for it. I've always wanted to learn this wonderful instrument here, and you know what? Once I start allowing myself to go within, utilizing the power of going within, I mean, man, so many things just started coming forth. Once I really focused on centering my mind and alleviating any and all blockages within my heart, focusing on my purposes, which leads me right into my destiny. I am Baba Cordell. And as you can see in this wonderful piece of Mother Nature, I mean, Mother Earth, Mother Nature, we use interchangeably because we're talking about allowing the essence of Mother Earth to remind us of the essence of ourselves. And with that, you know, one of the things is happiness. You know, the mantra that we utilize here is health, happiness, harmony, purpose, wealth. Yet let's talk about happiness. And the thing is what really makes you happy when you look at the full circle of your life, right? So let's just say you have a circle, right? And you have so many dots within that circle. I mean, so many that you can barely see to the eye, yet they are there. So what makes up the full circle of your life? Sure, we have our duties and we have things that we have adopted and or chosen through our rearing, our cultivation, our raising, learned behavior. Yet, what does it mean to really be happy to your core? I mean, just everything is bliss. And whatever may come up that may seem like a challenge, an obstacle, or a speed bump, you are so centered and you're so clear because you know how you think and you know what you choose to do, that we'll deal with it. That whatever it is, it shall too pass forward. Why is that? It's because you're in alignment. You trust. And through that trust, you have gone through so many inner schools of thought, assessing your own life, many things that you may have, let's just say inherited, you know, could have been generationally. Yet you've chosen at this particular stage of your life to really, truly go within yourself. And you want happiness, you want smiles on everything. And in my personal opinion, you don't have to fake it to make it. We don't have to fake anything. We can truly be at the forefront of our consciousness so that we can conscientiously live to our optimum level that we manifest. What is happiness? I am happy literally in this beautiful autumn, fall solstice. I have this wonderful guitar that I have been working on, and I'm going to get greater. You'll see. Now, I'm going to share that. So, yet, I'm happy that I'm on the journey. When I look at all sectors of my life, when I look at everything within it, when I look at it from my nutrition, when I look at it from what I'm manifesting and the journey that it's on, when I look at the trajectory, oh, it's incredible. The trajectory. There's nothing but upside. Nothing except upside. That's it. Why? Because that's what I'm focused on. There is no fallback plan. There is no plan B. No, this is happiness. This is happiness with truly going within myself and really allowing things to be put in its proper perspectives. Sure, as you've seen on the other sharings of the power of going within, yes, I do my meditations, I exercise, I do a plethora of things. Yet I do it because it fits me, because I pay attention to myself. You know, many of us have never really truly had our real first breath of life. I mean, a real breath of life. Sure, we can do many things, and for whatever that may be for you, whether it's through your religion, your spirituality, or methodologies. You know, yoga, stretching, whatever forms of meditation that you choose to incorporate into your lives, that's fine. I can only speak for me, and for me, this is a part of my meditation. Walking, talking, breathing it, living it. Yet, I did put in the work, reconnecting with Mother Earth, reconnecting with the other modalities of life, realizing what it is that I was holding on to, and then letting go or allowing things to be put in its proper perspectives. There are a lot of things that I consider traumas and pains. I took that energy and I internalized it, just swallowed it, and allowed the energy itself, not the actions, to turn into a sort of power that was calm, that was soothing, that was within wisdom. We're talking about happiness. Well, for example, doing something because you feel that you have to, as opposed to you being in a certain level of alignment with a centered mind, you're breathing, right? And you're saying, this is what I want to do. I know that this is a part of my purpose. This is a part of my purpose to live a very fulfilled life. No, you've centered your mind. You've alleviated the blockages of your heart. And you wanted to. You were determined to. So that you can get to happiness. And through happiness, what do we say within our mantras? Health, happiness, harmony, purpose, wealth. You can manifest anything that you want. You're doing it anyway. You probably don't remember, for many, don't realize or know how they're doing it. You are a part of that driving force. You are a part of the choice maker of your conditions. Manifest everything that you want. Many people do it unconsciously. Well, let's become not only conscious of it, let's become conscientious of it and fully activate all things of our faculties so that we can do what? Be happy. Be happy. Your responsibility and your obligations of what that is and what that means to existence itself, that is your choosing. Yet remember, it does affect all others, internally within your circle of families and also externally. So the level of responsibility and obligation, it is there. Make no doubt about it. Yet to get at the forefront of it and choose to be happy. I mean, yes, to travel anywhere that you want to go when you want to go. You know what? I'll use myself as an example. For my body, for the material that's needed, if I need a certain type of mattress with certain type of materials that is from Mother Earth, in order for it to complement me so I have a wonderful, outstanding rest so that I can continue to do my purposes and further serve my destiny, then that's what I need. I can definitely say 10,000 thread count Egyptian cotton sheets, it feels awesome on my body as opposed to other materials like wool and acrylic or mixed blends. It feels awesome. I rest better. The electricity in my spine, I can feel. You understand what I'm getting at here. Be happy with every sector of your life. Oh man. Where is the point of manifesting what you want? Internally. Therefore, it's reflected externally. I mean, we don't have to settle linearly for this or that and the other. The way that you want to eat, the way that you want to live, how you love, how you have the dynamics of your families, traveling Mother Earth, absorbing all the powerful energies that Mother Earth has truly blessed us with. That's a part of the power of going within. And the universe always delivers. I'll give you a little taste of this. If certain things keep flashing to you and you make it a distant reality, flip that. That actually may be a signal that that's what you're supposed to have. How will you know unless you go within? How will you know unless you really choose to look at all mirrors within thyself? So once again, being happy from everything that makes up a fulfilled life within the circle of your life. And you look at each and every dot of that. You keep going within yourself. You keep using that power of going within. You keep wanting to be determined to be centered and in alignment so that you can live a wonderful, fulfilled life. I am Baba Cordell, and I am glad that you allowed yourself to be a part of this sharing of the power of going within. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to strum a little bit here. Now, please be mindful. I know your ears may be a little like that's too much. And soon you'll see the evolution of this wonderful sharing because it complements me like other things. And you know what? I am honored. So remember our mantra: health, happiness, harmony, purpose, wealth. I appreciate you, and I'm sure that you appreciate me. Let us all appreciate ourselves, and therefore the power of appreciation and gratitude will truly flourish. Give thanks. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Microphone check. Microphone check. Microphone check. Microphone check.